NaijaFoodTube.
Welcome people, this is NaijaFoodTube. I'm Kenny. I'll be sharing with you how I prepare my egg mixed noodles. To prepare the egg mixed noodles, I'll be using noodles, noodle spice, onions, diced carrot, spring onions, sliced Scotch bonnet and red bell pepper, diced tomato, fresh eggs, salt, vegetable oil, sardine. To begin cooking, I'll pour some vegetable oil into my skillet. I'm not using much here. I'll put some onions and saute it for a few minutes. I'll add the carrot and continue stirring. I'm starting from the hard veggies first. After some few minutes, I'll add some of the spring onion and set the remaining aside. I'll keep stirring the veggie. I'll add a sliced Scotch bonnet and red bell pepper. I'll continue stirring in order for my veggies to cook evenly. I'll pour the diced tomato and stir some more. I'll add the sardine. I'll allow fry a bit. I'll add a pinch of salt. I'll stir and set aside. To the noodles now, I'll pour 1.5 cup of water into the pot and allow boil. I'll break 6 raw eggs into a bowl. I'll whisk. I'll add the noodle spice and continue whisking. I'll add the remaining spring onion. I'll mix and set aside. Back to the boiling water. I'll pour 6 sachets of noodles into the boiling water. I calculate my sachet of noodles based on the quantity of egg I broke into the bowl earlier. I'll cover and allow cook for 3 minutes because I don't want my noodles too soft. I'll sift and make sure the water drains properly. Back to my veggie. I'll put my veggie back on the gas or the low heat. I'll pour the parboiled noodles into the whisk egg. I'll mix for 1 minute. I'll pour my noodles egg mix into the fried veggies and allow fry for 1 minute. I'll keep stirring my mix because I don't want to get my noodles burnt. Wow, so yummy. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.
NaijaFoodTube.